Hi everyone, Dr. Gabby Caviedes here for your next Growth Spurt episode. Want to talk to you today about the difference between patience and avoidance. Patience, it really is praised. We like to be around people who have a high degree of patience. It is a trait that is oftentimes praised, especially when we're thinking about raising our kids, dealing with challenging people. Like having that patience is such a skill. But there's often this fine line between patience and avoidance, right? Patience seems wise. Avoidance sounds uncomfortable. The problem is sometimes the two feel very similar. And I like to differentiate the two in this way. Patience is waiting intentionally. Avoidance is the unintentional delay of conversations, the unintentional delay of progress, the unintentional delay of anything uncomfortable. Both look relatively calm on the outside, but inside, one is grounded and the other is stalled. Patience is grounded. It is that confident waiting period. Avoidance is the delay of the uncomfortable. And we always talk about growth happens when you shift into that uncomfortable state. So by avoiding things, you are staying in that comfort zone and not pushing yourself to grow. I want you to think about it in this way and really ask yourself these questions. If nothing were to change for the next 6 months, would I feel relieved or disappointed? That answer is very revealing because patience still moves you forward. Patience leads to progress in many instances. However, avoidance just keeps you where you're at. Avoidance does not promote growth. So really important to differentiate the two. Patience is a great skill to have, but patience can be used as a scapegoat for avoidance. And that if we're avoiding things, we like to just tell ourselves, oh, I'm just being patient. But challenge yourself to think, in what areas are you avoiding the uncomfortable? And in what areas are you just being patient with the process? Hope this helps in some of those areas where you're challenging yourself to grow and pursue better and ultimately be better. And I will see you next time. Thank you, everyone.